Today we are reviewing a vacuum sealer. Let's go ahead and show you what's inside the box. So this is what you get inside the box. You get the vacuum sealer, you get all of these bags and a bag roll, power supply. This is to use with jars and a manual. So let's go ahead and show you the actual sealer here. So you lift up here, this is the heating element line. In here goes your roll bags. You can also use this to cut your bags. So you just place it over like this to the size you want, and then you slice and you can cut the bags to however you want. Okay, first off, to seal the bag that we just cut, it's going to be simple. You want to have the bubble side facing down. That's always going to face wherever the heating element is. And we're going to go ahead and lay this right here. Now make sure you press in each corner as it shows. And now we're going to do seal. And now it's going to seal a nice little line across the bag. Now, as you can see, there's really nice green light here. Okay, now it's done. So it was that simple. Okay, now we have that end sealed. We're going to go ahead and place the item that we want to store for long term. Now you can store meats, vegetables, all kinds of different stuff. Store it, put it in the freezer. That way it lasts a much longer time. Okay, now we're going to go ahead. Remember, the bubble side face that down wherever the heating element is, and you want to place this down inside here. So that goes down. Try and make it as smooth as you can before you place it down in. Now we do vacuum seal. And we're done. It's that simple and that easy. Just like that. Nice vacuum sealed, and this is going to last us a very long time.